In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files to add an audio one. Now you can click on one of those apps, select Audio at the top, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick any of those sources. This way you will easily find your file. After finding it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Then click on your video right away if it's recent. Or select Folders and look for it over here. Then tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!